In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download just one tab from Google Sheets. If you've got a multi-tab spreadsheet but only need to share or save a single tab, this quick workflow will help you focus your export on exactly what you want. Start by heading to Google in your browser. In the top right, click the grid of dots to open the Google Apps menu, then choose Sheets. This takes you to your Sheets home, where you can open the spreadsheet you want to work with. If you're already in the file, you're good to go. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the tabs along the bottom. Decide which tab you want to keep in your download. The idea here is simple. Hide every other tab, so only the one you need remains visible. To do that, right-click on a tab you don't want to include and choose Hide Sheet. You'll see it disappear from the row of tabs. Repeat this for each tab you don't want to download, leaving your target tab visible. If you accidentally hide the wrong one, don't worry, you can reverse it from the same area later. Take a quick moment to confirm you've only got the one tab visible. This helps ensure your export emphasizes that tab and keeps everything else out of sight. Remember, you can't hide the tab you're currently viewing if it's the only visible one, so always leave the tab you want to download visible. Now, go to the top left and click File. From the menu, hover over Download. You'll see several format options. Choose Microsoft Excel. Your browser will begin downloading the file as an .xlsx document to your default downloads location. Keep an eye on your Downloads bar or your Downloads folder to confirm it's saved. When you open the downloaded file, you'll find the tab you kept visible front and center. Any tabs you hid in Google Sheets won't appear in the tab bar at first. Keep in mind, hidden sheets can still exist within the file and may be unhidden by someone with access. So if you're sharing with others, double-check the file to make sure it meets your needs before sending it on. After you've finished, return to your Google Sheet and bring your workspace back to normal. Right-click along the tab area to unhide anything you hid so your full spreadsheet is ready for your next task. That's it, an easy way to download just the tab you need without clutter or confusion. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.